Hey all you cool crafty kids out there, it's Miss Leah. Today we are going to make a very special instrument out of items that you probably already have around your house. It looks like this. I call it the Super Shaker. To make your Super Shaker at home, all you're gonna need is a toilet paper roll, a piece of paper, some scissors, some colored pencils. You can also use markers or paint, some tape, a stapler, some dry beans. You can also use popcorn kernels, some plastic wrap, a rubber band, and last but not least, some yarn or something you can use for streamers. This is an old shirt. These are some old pants that don't fit anymore. Now that you've gathered all the materials you'll need for your Super Shaker, let's start. Step 1, lay your roll of toilet paper down on one side of the paper and make a mark for how far down it comes. And do this on the opposite side as well. Then you can fold your paper over at those marks. This will help you know how far down to color. After you've folded on the line, you can cut along the line that you've made. Now the height of my toilet paper roll is the same height as my paper. Next, we're going to lay our paper down and roll the paper around it. When the ends meet on this side, you can make a little mark with your pencil. It's okay if there's a little overlap. Once you have your line on your paper, you can cut along the line. I like to cut along the line. Perfect. Now we have the perfect size paper to color on to decorate our Super Shaker. I'm going to use my colored pencils to decorate it. All right, I'm all done coloring. Do you want to see? So many colors! Now it's time to wrap the paper around our toilet paper roll. You're gonna need your tape for this part. I like to start with a little piece of tape in the corner, just to secure my piece of paper. Then I roll it all the way around until it lines up on the opposite side. Now I'll take another piece of tape and join the two pieces of paper together. You can put tape all along this line until it's nice and secure around your toilet paper roll. Perfect! Next, it's time to add our streamers. If you're using yarn, you can cut the yarn the same length as you want the streamers. If you're using fabric, you can cut long strips of the fabric. Once you have your beautiful streamers ready, you can tie them all in a knot at the top. And pull it tight. These look great. Next, I'm gonna get out my stapler and put the knotted side of my streamers inside the bottom of my toilet paper roll. Then I'm gonna smash it down a little bit so it's tight inside. Now I'm going to staple the edge so it stays together. You can also use tape for this part. Now your toilet paper roll should become a little cave that you can put beans or rice or whatever noise-making material you want inside. I'm going to use red beans. You don't need many. A small handful should be enough. Now it's time to make the cap. You will need your rubber band and your plastic wrap. Cut a piece of plastic wrap, maybe about 6 inches wide. Then fold it in half like a hamburger. Then fold it in half like a hot dog. I'm going to place my plastic wrap over top of the opening on my toilet paper roll. I press it down on all sides so it's nice and flush with the edges. Then I take my rubber band and I just pop it right over the saran wrap like this. Now I'm going to cut away the extra plastic wrap. I like to wrap a piece of tape around mine just to keep it extra secure. Wow, we're all done. You did it. You made a super shaker today. Look how fun they can be. Woohoo! These are super fun to make with your siblings, with your parents, or on your own. See how well you can follow directions and get crafty. All right, see you next time, crafty kids.